In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Dollartub to bank account. So this should be a quick and easy process. You can request your payment where your account balance has reached at payment threshold. Payments are sent as a preloaded electronic fund transfer. You will receive the fund to your email address bank account, and you can then easily cash it out via PayPal, Paytm, your bank transfer as you want, PhonePe, etc. Payments are issued at the end of each week for the earnings of the previous week. However, you need to verify your account before you can receive the funds to your PayPal and your payment account. The verification process begins as soon as you submit your first payment request, and your account must be verified in order to receive a payment. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.